Put the words in order to form questions. You could pause if you need more time. Here's number 1. The answer is how much. Subject rain, and the verb is fell in past tense. How much rain fell? How much rain fell? Number 2. Okay, here's the answer. Our WH question word is where. Helping verb did. Subject you. Where did you? And then the base verb is go. And then the time phrase is during the tornado. Where did you go during the tornado? Where did you go during the tornado? Next one, number 3. Okay, WH question is when. Helping verb did. The subject, the police. Verb tell people to leave. When did the police tell people to leave? When did the police tell people to leave? Number 4. Okay, this is a tricky one. So the subject is still the police, so we're using the pronoun they. So WH word is where, helping verb is did. They is going to be my subject. Where did they? Base verb tell. Object people to go. Where did they tell people to go? Where did they tell people to go? Number 5. WH word, why. Helping verb, did. Subject, we're going to say the schools, and then the base verb is close. Why did the schools close? Why did the schools close? Number 8. WH word is when. Helping verb did. The tree fall. When did the tree fall? When did the tree fall? Okay, that's all for now.